What is good, everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel here at The Dad Life. Like always, guys, I hope everyone is having a blessed day today. As always, guys, I hope everyone is having a good day as well. In today's video, as you guys can see from the title, yes, the Yeezy gods. You guys already know the Yeezy gods, Yeezy Supply, Adidas, and Kanye blessed me with my first ever dub on the shock drop on Yeezy Supply. Like, guys, I am so hyped about this sneaker. This could possibly be the Yeezy of the year. Maybe, I don't know. Yeezy and Kanye and Adidas have been draining us with Yeezy 350 V2 all year and 700s all year, and the fact they came out with something different, just honestly, it's more of a refresher to me. Just because you guys already know I'm a huge Yeezy fan and I've been rocking Yeezys since day one, and the fact that they came out with a brand new Yeezy silhouette just makes me super excited about it. Let's go ahead and get into this crazy hype beast Yeezy of the year. What do you guys think? Unboxing from Yeezy Supply. Shout out to my boy Eli for the knife. It's crazy because I've been doing a lot of unboxings and I never really have a knife, and he actually hooked it up, so shout out to my boy Eli at work. Eli. I'll do it one more time. Eli. I just want to let you guys know I did hate on Yeezy Supply in the past, because in the past when I copped off Yeezy Supply, I copped the triple white 350 V2 in the past, and it literally took like 1 month, like over a month to get my package. But now Yeezy Supply has been really doing well lately, just because I'm not sure why I did all the sides. I cut all the sides. But anyways, Yeezy Supply has done me well this time. You guys already know the shock drop was, I believe, on Friday night, and I got these today, and today is Tuesday, so that's like less than a week, which is kind of surprising. Yeezy Supply has come through and honestly listened to their people. Oh my goodness, you guys are not used to that 380 on the box. I'm so used to of that 350 700 box. I always, oh my gosh, 380. It's not 350, 380, 350 plus 30, 380.
You stupid.
They're not.
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
Nothing different about the box, just the same old plain cardboard brown box. Okay, let me take a moment. Here we go. Oh my god. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Woo! They actually look a lot better in person, in hand. Honestly, when I first saw pictures of this sneaker, it honestly reminds me of the Ultra Boost Uncaged. Kind of feels like more of a sock around your ankle. I really dig them. I like this mint green look on the midsole. Just look, I'm not sure if this is glow in the dark. I'm not sure. I don't think it is, but this is just, oh my goodness, that boost. It's just, honestly, you guys, you're probably like saying this guy's a hype beast, like blah blah. Like, I'm just hyped because I got my first dub off, you know, manual. I don't own a bot. You know, like the fact that it's a new silhouette of Yeezys, man. It's been a while. It's just more of a refresher. And just wow, I will definitely have an in-depth review on my next video. I want to see the sizing tag because I'm hearing that the sizing tag, it says V3 on it. So let me look at it. I'm not seeing anything that says Yeezy 350 V3 on here. If it doesn't really say anything about sample pair, I might be blind or something. Or, you know, I heard some pairs do have it, but it's not really guaranteed. Let me take the insole out real quick just to verify if it has nothing on it. So this is how the you know, the little insole looks like. With this sneaker, I went a size half size up because the size 8 was in it was actually sold out, so I actually went a size 8.5. And I'm not sure how the sizing works, but like I said, I'll get into more of an in-depth review on my next video and on feet. So stay tuned with that. So yes, guys, the Yeezy 380. Gosh, I'm gonna say like V2, V3, but the Yeezy Alien 380 right here from Yeezy Supply. Shout outs to Yeezy, shout outs to Adidas, shout outs to Kanye, and shout outs to everyone that was on my stream. Like I said, that I got this dub, man. That was absolutely nuts. If you guys want to see that stream, it's about 1.5 hours. It's on my channel. Go check it out if you want. But like I said, guys, I'll have an in-depth review of this sneaker specifically. You guys could go ahead and ask the questions down below with sizing. Is it worth that resale price? I believe resale right now, the last time I checked on GOAT, was about $555 for my size. Do I see these going up? Absolutely yes. Just because, you know, this is the first ever release with the 380s, and like I said, they'll definitely be releasing later, which is next year, I believe. Not much information that has been said so far, so like I said, guys, if I do find more or find out more information about this sneaker when it comes towards the end of the year, I'll definitely let you guys know. But like I said, guys, all in all, the Yeezy 380 in the alien colorway, I am so hyped about this. But like I said, guys, stay tuned on my next video for the detailed look and on feet, and as well as sizing. I'm gonna go ahead and try these on to see how they fit, and I'll definitely let you guys know in my next video. But like I said, let's go ahead and put this to the side. If you guys want to enter my giveaway starts today. Yes, today, starting now, open to all sizes. I do have an example of what I'm going to be giving away. I'm gonna be giving away a pair of Yeezy 350 V2 in the Citron colorway, and I'll be purchasing it from GOAT. I've definitely did that in the past, so make sure you guys go ahead and enter the giveaway. All you guys have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, and as well as hit the bell button below to be notified when all my videos do go up. And the very last step, all you guys have to do is comment your size and your Instagram name down below in the comment section, and as well as just comment anything that's, you know, a positive comment, just to give me feedback on my channel. So like I said, guys, a super hyped giveaway. I told you guys, it is Christmas time, holiday season. I just want to give back to you guys, and you guys already know I love you guys so much for supporting the channel. So if you guys want to enter this Yeezy 350 V2 Citrons, it's open to all sizes, like I said, and all that will be down in the description below with all details and whatnot. Make sure you guys stay tuned on my next video on the 380 aliens on feet review and detailed look. So I'm gonna get out of here. This is the Dad Life signing in, signing out. Peace.